I'm Bate, the Chief Executive of the UK Space Agency. What's phenomenal about this seed investment round in Space Forge is how oversubscribed it's been and how global the nature of the investment is. It's a strong signal that the UK space sector is deeply competitive, is catapulting the UK into being a true spacefaring nation, where investors from around the world want to put their money because they see the deep entrepreneurialism, the scientific basis, and the commercial acumen that goes from translating great ideas into reality now and the future. Space Forge, as a Welsh-based UK space company, is demonstrating, as well as anyone globally, just how exciting space is as a sector. It's the raw energy and entrepreneurialism of Josh and Andrew and their team which shines through when you visit their facilities near Cardiff. It shows just where we are and where we can be on the world stage in space, at the cutting edge of entrepreneurialism defining the new space markets. Space technology already supports our way of life on Earth, from weather forecasting to ubiquitous satellite communications, and of course to tackling the climate change emergency and biodiversity loss. Over the next 10 years, space is going to increasingly define our way of life. Everything from the actions we take on climate change to the ability to manufacture rare and precious materials in space and bring them back down to Earth, making best use of the vacuum environments and microgravity. And that's exactly what Space Forge is at the centre of doing. Any high technology industry relies on scalability to make the economics work. And having reusable re-entry and recovery of the Space Forge platform is absolutely essential to this. It means that the carbon footprint is reduced. It means that the core technology, the platform itself, can be used over and over again. It's those sorts of reductions in the core economies of producing the service that are what's putting Space Forge at the frontier of space development. There are vibrant space clusters all the way around the UK, and we're seeing that with the Space Forge seed investment today, a company based just outside Cardiff, bringing together professionalism and expertise and raw passion to deliver on some of the most important issues for our way of life on Earth. It's another example of how the UK is a true spacefaring nation, and that's true in Wales, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and in England.